Hey, it's JR again, and we're looking at a Silvertone SS10, SS11. I'm not really sure what the differences are, but I've had them both and bought them both, and they look pretty much close to the same, other than that the stuff I ain't understanding. I do know there is a difference. Some of these has a headstock with a heel joint here, they call it. It's the tilt back headstock design, they're calling it. And the Indonesian company Samick makes them, and I've heard a lot of reviews about Samick's, and I've heard some reviews about these, and I've owned several of these, several models, several makes, and I'm here to talk about this particular one, this S10, SS11, and mostly these come from eBay. I did another review on this on how to fix these, and I want to say it's just as good as any other that you're going to get for the price. I mean, Fender Squires and all of those are made in some other place, and these is made there, so it's either this or that. That's made there, or this is made over here, so take your pick. But that's basically what it ends up to. Each you're going to get that price, it's going to need work. First off, if you're just starting on, you usually buy a beginner's guitar because you're not really sure if it's your thing or whatever, And let's say if you've been around a guitar for a while, get one of these, like I have. I've had several, and the reason I do because, as I mentioned in another video, you pop this neck off right here, and you put a shim underneath it, underneath this joint. When you take the neck off, you just put a small little shim, little skinny little shim across through there, and lift the back part of this neck up, and that will tilt this whole neck down, and it'll give it an angle. And then you go in here and you adjust your bridge, your intonation here, and then you go in and you adjust your truss rod. After you raise this right here, as I mentioned in another video, which it does some most of them don't take much. It's just very little shim there that's needed to get that to tilt back. Some of your newer guitars already has a hole here, and they've already figured that out. But anyway, yeah. So this here, I guess, is the next move would be the action on this one is set. I've already done the conversion on this. The modification, and it's raised up here, and I've already adjusted the bridge, and I've adjusted the truss rod. I've tuned it, put strings on it, and so now I guess we'll that's the Silvertone SS10, SS11, and they're not too bad.